I had a client last week, the husband and the wife, being very proactive. They both went in to get their physical, to get routine blood work done, to get their flu shot, and then 2 weeks later, lo and behold, his stuff was all paid, hers was denied. What happened? Stay tuned, I'll talk about it in this episode. I am Sylvia Gordon with the Medicare family, and this client did not have any supplemental coverage. Of course, that's what we do. That's how I put braces on my kids' teeth, is selling supplemental insurance. A lot of people don't see the need for it until they get that big bill, that $50,000 bill, that $100,000 bill. I get those clients every year. They met with me, they talked about it, I showed them the different options, and they're like, you know what? I think I'm good. I paid into Medicare. I have Medicare Part A, Part B. I think I'm good. I don't need any supplemental coverage. I try to tell people in advance, people that are turning 65, the scenarios about all these people that I've had, what's happened to them, to try to make them think, hey, insurance is not for right now. It's not for you're healthy and you don't take any drugs. Insurance is for the problems that you might have. So take my word for it. Buy some type of supplemental insurance. We can find something that fits your budget. Something is better than nothing. So this client, they said, we don't need anything. And so far, they haven't needed anything. They're both young, they're both healthy. But they ran into a problem right away and they didn't have an agent to help them. I help them for free. I help everybody. Call me, email me, my whole family. We give free advice all day long, okay? It generally comes back. People are grateful and we make a living, so I'm okay working for free. So I told them, I said, there's no reason why hers shouldn't have been paid. You're both on original Medicare. You both got the same procedures. There was a billing error, a coding error in the doctor's office that is very common, that they did it wrong. You're going to have to call your doctor's office and have it send it through again. A lot of times the doctor's office fights you and they insist it wasn't their problem and they want you to fight it out on the back end with Medicare. You can't make them refile it, okay? And I get these doctor's offices. They're tired, they're short-staffed, it's the pandemic, and they're not going to refile it. They're convinced it's your fault. So if it is something that you're going to have to fight out on your own, you can Google, how do I file an appeal with Medicare? And go to medicare.gov and you can work through this. They have it line item spelled out for you. Get an agent. Get a live agent, a person that can help you with your Medicare for the rest of your life. You don't pay any extra. And they can help you with the stuff. Plus, they can get you that supplemental coverage that you are going to need at some time. Trust me, because what you can pay out of pocket on Medicare is astronomical. And I hate for my clients to have those surprises. Thank you for watching our videos here at the Medicare family. We do put out a video every week. If you have questions, topics you'd like us to deal with, if you want private advice, ask me in the comments, call us, email us. Our family's here to help your family.